Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the vault in 1Password. So let's say you're in your browser, you click the 1Password extension and it's going to open up right here. I recommend that you click your account and you will see it, and you just want to hover over it and click open and fill, or click the website section where it says account, where it says open and fill, and it's going to take you over to your account in 1Password. You want to fill in your credentials, or just click on the password because it should automatically logs you in because it's going to pull a password. No, once you're in your account, just simply click on vaults on the left side, and here you'll find the vaults. And to actually delete one, you want to open it. And let's say I want to delete this one here that's called tested. I just need to open the vault here and look to where it says more action. Click on that, and here you have delete vault. Click on that. And so to delete the vault, you want to go ahead and enter your password, and then click permanent delete vault. And so we want to go ahead and enter our password. You can either type your password, or once you click in the password field, it will populate and just basically give you the options that you have for your password, and you can type it in and it's going to quickly select for you and allow you to delete the vault right there. And that's it.